What is going on YouTube? Steven the Salon Guy here, and in today's celebrity haircut tutorial, I'm going to be doing Jacksepticeye, who is a YouTuber, gamer, and I've gotten a lot of requests for his newer hairstyle, so I'm ready to go. Let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a number 2 guard and possibly a number 1 guard down through here, tapered up relatively close and relatively short. I'd say like maybe going up to like a number 4 guard right in through here and cutting the top by hand relatively short and then leaving this front bit the longest point into here. So he's got it going on where it's like really short and then it gets gradually longer right to the very front here. So let's start with the clipper work and follow along. Let's just break down what I've done so far. I started it again with a 2, then I went back with a 1, like kind of 1 completely open, and I went to here, then I just tilted my clipper to kind of just blend it in, the 1 into the 2, so creating almost like a 1.5. Then I went to a 3, 3.5, and 4, and all the way to about a number 5 guard right in through here, because again, it's like really short all the way into about here, and that's where we're now going to start to do the scissor over comb work by blending this all in on top. So let's just bring the mannequin head down a little bit. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize scissor over comb all the way from here into the top. And then when we get to about midway right into this area here is where I'm going to start kind of over directing a little bit so it goes shorter progressively to longer. So let's follow along and see what it looks like when we get to the end here. Let's break down the Jacksepticeye haircut tutorial. So again, I mentioned I used a number 1 in through here, kind of like a 1.5, just by opening up the guard up to about a 2, 3, 4, 5. And I actually used, closed guard and then opened it to kind of get a few more levels out of the guards. And then I did everything by hand in through here, worked it all in. And then around this area, I started to kind of comb straight up and over direct. So it's going shorter, as you can see into the top here. It's going shorter to longer to where the very front, I'd say it's about no more than 3 inches or so, 2.5 to 3 inches on top. Right into here is about an inch, 1.5 inches, and all working towards here. And then I blow dried it all forward like this. All right, I blow dried it all forward, and then the very front, I just used a blow dryer and hit it up this way to get that volume and texture. And I used clutch to kind of go in and just give it a little bit more texture into here. But here we have the finished result. Listen guys, let's get Jacksepticeye to actually see this video. I've been shouted up by PewDiePie.
Check out TheSalonGuy. I actually saw those videos. They were pretty good.
Never by Jacksepticeye, so maybe you guys can help me so we can see this video. I've done like 1 or 2 videos of his hair already, so help me out here. So tweet it to him. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified of when my videos go live. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon.